Are you looking for the best under-sink water filters? Under-sink water filters have become essential for households aiming to improve water quality, remove harmful contaminants, and enhance taste. With increasing concerns about water safety and the presence of contaminants like lead, PFAS, and chlorine, these systems offer a convenient, space-saving solution. Our methodology for this comparison involved evaluating each product.
Product number 1, iSpring RCC7AK. The iSpring RCC7AK is a premium 6-stage reverse osmosis system designed to deliver exceptional water quality. Its standout features include a patented pH plus remineralization stage that restores essential minerals and balances pH, making the water taste like fresh spring water. The transparent first-stage filter housing allows users to monitor filter health visually, and the system is NSF 58 certified, ensuring rigorous testing for contaminant removal. With a daily filtration capacity of 75 gallons, it's suitable for larger households. Performance-wise, the iSpring RCC7AK excels in removing over 1,000 contaminants, including 98.9% of lead and 96 to 99% of PFAS. The installation process is user-friendly with clear instructions and video tutorials, though some users may find the under-sink space requirements challenging due to its size. The remineralization stage is a notable feature for those seeking alkaline water, though it adds slightly to the system's complexity.
Product number 2, under-sink water filter. The CUZ UC200 offers a unique proposition with its 5-year filtration lifespan, making it one of the most cost-effective systems over time. Utilizing a 3-stage filtration process with KDF55, coconut shell carbon, and microsediment membranes, it effectively reduces chlorine, lead, and PFAS while retaining beneficial minerals. Designed for direct connection to kitchen or bathroom faucets, the UC200 is compact and easy to install, requiring no drilling or additional plumbing. This filter is perfect for users who want a low-maintenance system with long-term value. While it doesn't reduce TDS, or total dissolved solids, it significantly improves water taste and clarity. The absence of a tank makes it a space-efficient choice, though it may not be suitable for users seeking reverse osmosis level filtration. Customer support from CUZ is highly rated.
Product number 3, iSpure Under-Sink Water. The iSpure system is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. With a certified 22,000-gallon filtration capacity, it uses advanced carbon block technology to remove chlorine, heavy metals, and sediments. The system is NSF ANSI 42 and 372 certified, ensuring safety and performance. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design that takes less than 3 minutes, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the iSpure system delivers clean, odor-free water with a high flow rate of 2.5 GPM. While it lacks advanced filtration stages like remineralization or TDS reduction, it's a practical choice for households seeking improved water taste and basic contaminant removal. The 3-year product number 4, Pure Plus Under Sink. The Pure Plus system is the most affordable option in this lineup, yet it offers impressive features like a certified 22,000-gallon capacity and 99% chlorine reduction. Its 6-in-1 composite filter is designed to remove heavy metals, sediment, and odors while retaining beneficial minerals. The Quick Connect design simplifies installation, making it a convenient choice for users who want a hassle-free setup. This filter is best suited for users on a budget who need reliable, everyday water filtration. While it doesn't offer advanced features like remineralization or TDS removal, it performs well in improving water taste and clarity. The lightweight design and compact dimensions make it a space-efficient option, though its effectiveness is limited to municipal water sources.
Product number 5, Aqua Miracle All-in-One Koi Pond.
The Aqua Miracle system is a specialized product designed for outdoor ponds rather than under-sink use. With a 4-layer filtration system and a 550 GPH fountain pump, it's ideal for maintaining water clarity in ponds ranging from 350 to 500 gallons. The system includes 3 spray patterns, adding aesthetic value while oxygenating the water. This product is perfect for garden enthusiasts looking for an all-in-one solution for pond maintenance. While it's not a traditional under-sink filter, its robust filtration and dual water output make it a versatile choice for outdoor use. However, it lacks the certifications and contaminant removal capabilities required